Oh, what a lovely surprise. I'm looking out across Hyde Park and the Serpentine and over to the Basil Spence Tower, and I'm in the Royal Lancaster Hotel, room 1027, and this is on the north side of Hyde Park. I'm looking down at a London bus just to show you that I really am here, and I can see a kind of hemispherical shape over there. There's the top of the Royal Albert Hall, and I've just arrived because everything seemed to be delayed today, so I'm just swinging around. The Royal Lancaster Hotel is best described as a preferred hotel on top of Lancaster Gate tube station, so it's actually very convenient if you want Lancaster Gate tube station. And I like the choice of books, and I love this little artwork that's a map of London and 100 interiors around the world from Taschen. And I'm going around showing you it, and bananas, and a little mini car with German plates on it. I never knew that about the River Thames. I've got everything I need, I think, in the minibar. And the young Russian from Moscow who brought me up to the room told me with great pride that we have white products. Well, I love white company. They're very stylish. The general manager here, Sally Beck, is also very stylish. So she undoubtedly has put those things in. And then this is the bedroom, and another marvelous view. Well, hello from somewhere that's completely new for this world traveller.